Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Facebook post public. First, open the Facebook application or website on your device. Look for the What's on Your Mind box, typically found at the top of your news feed. Click or tap this area to begin composing your new post. This is where all your creative sharing starts. Now that you've started your post, it's time to add your content. Type out your message in the text box. You can also easily add photos or videos from your device using the media options. Feel free to include a feeling, an activity, or even tag friends to make your post more engaging and personal. This is a crucial step for making your post public. Look for the Audience selector, which is typically located just below your name in the post creation window. It might currently say Friends or Only Me. Click or tap this option, and then simply select Public from the list to ensure everyone can see your shared content. Before you finalize, take a moment to review your post and confirm that the privacy setting is indeed set to public. Once you are satisfied, click or tap the Post button. Congratulations! Your content is now live and visible to everyone on Facebook, reaching a broad audience with your message.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.